Welcome to the video that offers tips for you as you administer diagnostic screeners for mathematics. To give beginning of year screeners all at once or not. The computational fluency screener is either 33 or 40 questions on multiple pages. It can be given all at once, or it can be broken up page by page. There is a page that is for students recording their answers that can be used. The problem-solving screener is 15 questions on multiple pages. It can be given all at once, hopefully during a single class period. However, if you find that due to student fatigue or being pressed for time on a given day that you need to break the assessment up into smaller chunks, you can do so. The benefit of breaking it up is that it takes smaller chunks of individual days. For instance, if you don't have all of your 47-minute period to give for assessment, but you might have 10 or 15 minutes. However, that's a lot of transition time, getting students in and out of the mode of a classroom testing environment for just a few items. The main thing is you don't have to give the entire screener in one sitting, but you do need to have a classroom testing environment during the screening. You certainly can give it in one setting, although the computational fluency screener may take multiple class periods simply because it is longer. There are many items that students should be able to answer very quickly, but there are others that will take some time for them to calculate. The problem-solving screener was designed to be able to be given in a single sitting or single period. But if you find yourself pressed for time and think you can do maybe a little bit of the computational fluency screener or some of the problem-solving screener at one stretch, then you can certainly exercise your professional judgment in screening your students during that beginning of the year assessment window. If you do choose to break the assessments up, please don't allow long stretches of time, like weeks, to pass between giving parts of the assessment. Accommodations. If a student has a 504 or special education accommodation through their IEP, then they should be allowed to use that accommodation when taking any RTI screeners for mathematics. This includes use of a calculator on the computational fluency assessment if the use of a calculator is one of the student's accommodations.